Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Instagram in nerDigital Chatbot marketing. First, you need to make sure that your Instagram account is professional or business account. To do that, open your Instagram. Then, go to Settings. Then, click Switch to Professional Account. Now, follow the steps as shown. Select Business. Then, choose a category. On this part, you may choose Next or Don't use my contact info. Feel free to choose depending on your preference. There you go. We just converted our Instagram account to a professional account. Now let's connect a Facebook page to Instagram. Go to your Facebook page, then go to Settings. Click Linked Accounts, then choose Instagram and click Connect. As you can see here, the connection is successful. Okay, once these are all set, let's now go to nerDigital Chatbot Marketing and connect Instagram. Navigate to Settings. Then go to Channels. Select Instagram. Then click Connect. Click Edit Settings. Make sure that the Instagram account you want to connect to is selected. Then give permission for everything here. And then once everything is toggled, yes, click the Done button. Then click OK. There you have it. We just connected your Instagram professional account to nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.